Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam and today I'm gonna show you how to get unbanned on TikTok. First of all, you're gonna search for the TikTok Help Center and you're gonna scroll down for a little bit. You're gonna see the contact button. So we're gonna just go ahead right here and you're gonna see the multiple options, media inquiries and all that, and we're gonna go here and visit the Help Center. After we visit the help center, you're gonna see right here the multiple issues that you have, which is common on TikTok. But if that issue doesn't occur to you or wasn't common to you, you can just type in banned because your account is banned, and we're gonna search. And here it says you're gonna see multiple options, and we're gonna select the content. And we're gonna select the content, ban and all that. The content violation and bans. So we're gonna proceed, and you're gonna scroll down for a little bit, and you're gonna see the article which won't help you actually. So we're gonna select the appeal this decision. It's gonna direct us to another page, and you're gonna see right here the the multiple options, and you're gonna see how to appeal, and you're gonna scroll down for a little bit, and we're gonna see the button. It says please send a report here. So we're gonna click on it, and basically you're gonna share your issue with the TikTok TikTok Help Center. You gotta enter your email and username, which is optional, and we're gonna select the topic, which is account suspension and ban. And it says right here, tell us more, and we're gonna say that our account is banned because not age related, or live stream, or banned account because age related or other. And you're gonna just basically help them by submitting the problem, and you're gonna just elaborate your problem to TikTok. And finally you're gonna add an attachments, the picture of how this issue occurred to you, and that helps them get to know the issue more. And you're gonna see in the last option, which is I ensure that best of my ability knowledge that this information above is accurate and true. And you're gonna just click the check mark to after you submitting after you typing all the or filling all the section right here. And afterwards we're gonna click submit, and you're gonna wait for them until they send an email to your account. So that wraps it up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow on it, hit the thumbs up. Last but not least, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.